Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and this video was requested by a viewer of ours, a subscriber, and I'm making today a garlic honey sauce, which you can use it for anything, for your own stir-fry dishes. You could put it on steak. You can do like a stir-fry for steak, or just on top of your steak, or on barbecue chicken. To barbecue it, you use this sauce. But this is versatile, but I mainly use this sauce probably for stir-fries, my own type of sauces. And you also can can this, guys. What I'm making today is just enough. I only had a little bit of ingredients, and yeah, call me lazy. I didn't feel like going to the store and to get things done. But anyway, you can can this, and we're gonna first saute up the garlic and ginger in a little bit of olive oil. We're going to get that going. Just enough to where we can smell them. And I have it on low, and I cook with gas, so pan gets nice and hot and stuff. So we're going to stir this up a little bit. But I thought this was a great idea. She's been binge watching some of my sauces, I think. But that's okay. And to can it, you could steam can it or water bath can it for 15-20 minutes, or you could put it in a pressure canner and can it for 15 minutes. And like I said, this is going to make a small amount, about 10 servings, so it's not even worth canning. Maybe I'll redo this later on this summer. Okay, so I'm going to add my water in, which is 2/3 of a cup of water. And we're going to turn that on there. And we're also going to add in our soy sauce, which is a 2/3 of a cup. And guys, this is the rice seasoning. It's a kind of like a vinegar, but it's 8% alcohol. And my friend Min, who is now retired, bless his heart, was our China cook at work. And I work at a grocery store that has, in the deli department, they cook Chinese food there. And anyway, I've talked to him, and he recommends this if you can't find sake. He said this is next best And then third is rice vinegar. So this has 8% alcohol in it, so it's safe for canning. So we're going to put in a third of a cup of it. You don't have to write this down, guys. I'm going to have Farron put the recipe in the video somewhere around here. So we're going to heat this up a little bit. And I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of honey. And if you don't have honey, you can use sugar. So this is going to be pretty good. Okay. And it's like on a medium low. And we're going to bring this up to almost like a boil to melt this honey, incorporate everything. And I'm just going to slowly stir it. And we're going to add cornstarch in as a thickener. So if you're going to can it, you could use the alternative of in the canning world. Oh, what is it called now? Clear gel. I had to go check my jar. Clear gel, you can use it instead. Because the cornstarch doesn't hold up in canning where the clear gel will. Or you can opt it out and just use cornstarch when you open up a jar when you can it. Does that make sense? Okay. All right. I'm going to add in my cornstarch slurry a little at a time. I don't want to get it too thick. Okay, let's see how good that is. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Okay. See how this is going. And I put in just the rest of the cornstarch slurry, which was 2 tablespoons cornstarch. This is thickening up nicely. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay guys, this is done. I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. I think it needs a little bit more honey. Just a little bit more honey. Okay, let me get another spoon. That's really good. But this is very good. So guys, when you go to can it, like I said, you can water bath can this or steam can it, or you can pressure can it. 15-20 minutes and you're good to go. Okay? But this batch that I made is good for 10 servings. So right now, it would only make maybe about a pint and a half. So for me, that's not worth it. I want more on my shelf. So I'll probably revisit this sauce later on. This honey and garlic sauce. So this is very good. And I would mention the person's name, but they had like numbers in their YouTube account. So anyway, you know who you are, and I appreciate you asking me to do this. This is great. It's a honey garlic sauce. Good on anything. You can put it on steak, hamburgers. You can do your Chinese stir-fry stuff. It's endless, guys. You know, think outside the box like you guys always do. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me on this quick video this evening, because I just got home from work. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.